Good morning, everyone. Please share this video. Share this video. More than 1 year story of a single mother in Germany. Hey, Doctor, you know your bar. Yes, so my people are greeting on better time. I want to share this video. When I come here, waiting Obasonga family due to their in-law. Surprise you, shock. Oh, that's the mom. All right. Hello? How far? Good morning. I do fine.
We're made of passion that rave inside of us.
What? Okay, now. Let's go there. I don't waste time for this video. Yes, my lovely people, I greet all of you now, but that's not what's all right there. I must greet you all. This video is going to be a very, very short one because it's going to be this video is a serious thing. Guys, if you are the first, this is your first time of watching me now, subscribe to this platform because this topic we will start today now serious thing. Yes. May not be like say you don't know how it is start or when it is starts. You understand? Or what we talk about. You go to watch out for half. So make sure you follow this story of this woman called Dorcas Obasohan and a baby papa. I go bring their picture come and make una see. Beside that, wait too. I don't forget to do something. I have to do some medicine. I get a lot of videos where I go play and everything we will talk here with proof. So if it so, everything we will talk here is going to be with proof. Proof day. So buy your popcorn and your mineral. May you sit down. But we enjoy this story of this woman, Dorcas, and baby papa. Dorcas and baby papa. Oh, Dorcas. This is their picture on the greedy show. Why? Why their picture not appear? So, a lot they happen for Germany. We many of them don't know. A lot and a lot and a lot they happen for Deutschland. We many people don't know. Yes, my people, I greet all of you now, but that's what already. I believe some of they see these pictures we did by screen soon. I believe some of they see the picture we did my screen. When I go see the fair one we put bicycle wheel for ear. The boy we put bicycle wheel for ear. That boy did Germany. That boy and the new boyfriend of Dorcas. My people, I greet you now. I'm gonna share this video. Make it go viral. Make it reach where Dorcas family did. Because why? Now small will drag all the family come out. All the family behind the evil with Dorcas they do for Germany. we will drag the comments. The whole world will know them. We will know the kind of family we will go for the married woman from. Some kind of evil family we will get for Benin, where they're not supposed to they marry their daughter for abroad. Because they send their daughter come abroad, may come do that Ashawu, Lusho. So until their daughter use their head past that Ashawu, they will never let that daughter get peace. Not be born, they send them, they come born for abroad, but may they come use Pekus. They find money come from them. So when you refuse to use Pekus, find money, you decide to start your life born, marry born, you will get problem with some of your family or Naija. Yes, my people, when I will see the cast, now she the center, so now she be the woman with the center. She get two children, a boy and a girl, and she born for this a man. This man also we wear jacket. You see that man we wear jacket, so that man I walk they go so. They go walk. They find money come. Okay, thank God. So my voice loud the comments. So please, make una help me share this video. It's very, very important. This matter where they talk so not be waiting. They go they hide anymore. But you see this Dorcas, you want me to slide this matter, make me not talk and come out for social media. You understand? Unfortunately, the matter don't reach my table. Best and not talk so. So definitely you don't know how we do it here. Now so we go do it. You understand? This man where we are jacket so he name na Kevin Sunday Kevin. Now Benin man. You understand? Now in this man, this woman born 2 children for. Dorcas born 2 children for. Dorcas Obasohan. Dorcas Obasohan, the day for Morocco. Now Morocco, therefore no. From Morocco, back. The man enter Libya, enter from Libya, enter Italy. Dorcas Obasohan from Morocco, enter Spain, Maya. He reach Spain, go pay madam how many millions with Olosho level. Use it to go pay madam. My people mona sit down, mona the list, you know. Agree to now with better style. As he pay madam, because he say life they had them for Spain. Now this woman started to look for this man, Kevin. For Facebook, he can't reach out to Kevin. Big document not there. Even Kevin himself not get document. Kevin de Italy. Now so this woman take march from Maya come Italy, come to stay with this man, Kevin. May they for start life together based on person where they know from house at a very tender age. Oh yeah, now they start the level. I want be you never complete for ground before. Oh yeah, me kukuma go Germany. Bele.com. May they go run their things for Germany. Now, so they take this man, take carry this woman, come Germany. As they reach Germany, they start life. The man do everything possible. Make sure say write story for this woman. We go talk. We be see everywhere goes to audio deal. Everything we have to prove deal. Now, so they start life. This woman now don't born 1, don't born 2 or more. Matter don't start. This boy we first so. According to my own investigation, because I don't investigate this boy we fair. We are with the friend, with the lalo, this baby mama. But people, this boy gets baby mama for that same Germany way, but 2 pikin for him. This boy na Asian boy. Oh yeah, but 9B, na Asian boy. He get baby mama for that same Germany where he get 2 pikin for him. In the buy ticket, they call this woman city, call they lalo this woman. Single mother for Germany, fear or no fear, some for inside, not be all Sunday okay. Now let Germany now see single mother, no one they want to get belly, that they predict like say they predict match. Now let Germany now see single mother to fuck their baby papa go expire. They're going to find that way they camp. We go wear them side bracket with each other. Yeah. My people, this is Dorcas. Now, the problem where they grant now, my people, this Dorcas no one made this man come to see him picking again. The thing not result of Balegbe. It don't resort to fights. It don't resort to hospital. It don't resort to court. They don't go court several times. The cast now, you want to collect the father's child and the zogere, where they give this man, which is the 50-50 right for this man, one collector for this man. No one made this man they take responsibility of his children again. The cast now go claim single mother with Yuga hand. Even Yuga hand now even collect the children from this woman hand. So the cast now not go carry Yuga hand. They fight this man for Dutchland. This man not even sue Yuga hand to court. Can't even win them for court. Obono is small matter out. All these things now they happen. This woman get family. How far the family they go about? The family they support the woman, make enough for stay husband house. Make for the sweet child benefits to the builders for Nigeria. Wahala. I agree to now with better style. So guys, I want to share this video. Very important.
SMS.
Share the video. I believe so. I don't see this guy. I don't see who they talk to, who they talk about, who they talk about. Oh yeah, let's play this video. When I hear story, I mean, audio will play. We'll play audio first. We'll play audio. Now let's listen to the man first before we listen to the woman, because after the man called me, I hear the man side. I have to call this woman. But this woman, she want to play smart. She don't want to talk. She want to play smart. She want to play smart. She don't want to talk because of the people who they give her info. People who they back her up. Oh yeah, let's go there. Let's go there. That smartness so she want to play, it not go feel work because why? It don't cast, it don't reach my table. As I say, don't reach my table, it don't cast. It don't cast. More will play some of the records from the man. Many records do.
Come up for the issue to just help me block the issue out for this girl. The number everything sticky to see here from her. And whether she will come out or not the truth. She not will come out. He will call and say if he block. If he call and say not come out, then the issue will block everything. We will see how they go to hear from you, will come. If you not come out, we'll call her for blocking. If she not will come out.
Okay, so you know the guy.
Just the course of country. I just need better blogging to make sure see.
Okay.
I feel dragging and the family the way they take just frustrate my children. Use this girl to spoil my documents. You know? So we know each other when she was the 19 years old from Morocco. You know, so he know me very well. She just didn't know me. She say I be very nervous. And so this girl today follow up to make sure she deal with me. So me now, you hear me?
But when they listen to, when they follow the story, they know each other. When she was 19 years old from Morocco, when they try to come abroad. So we can listen carefully when I share this video. For those of you who know these people, as if you are here, my number that is stream here. The two number when they see for this screen, when they display for this stream, the two number they go. You are free to call and tell us more about them or what you know about them. It's a free here. Because this one, we don't want Bokan, we don't want Binyanoka. Enough of the way our women they treat their baby papa for Germany. Enough of the way our women they treat their baby papa for Germany because of child benefits. Because of what? Child benefits. Because of so they don't pay for road work, they want to use children money to the builders for Nigeria, which is totally bad. When I will see many of the videos, I will play some video because this man, they always do video, anything, anywhere that they go in the office, where they go, the man they video, the woman they kick against the man, why go the video? You understand? Everything what the man they do, the man they always do on live video, they always do on video, the record. He forward all of that to me. Now part of the record, now I will see so. Even to the extent, This woman, now this evil woman, this woman is an evil woman. This evil woman now don't join the boyfriend. As we talk now, the boyfriend, that boy we are show you that fair boy. So, and this man they go court now. The boyfriend and this man now they go court now. This woman now don't they join the boyfriend, they carry the baby papa, they go court. One go judge against the baby papa for court. What happen? The boy now they come to meet the woman for us. They come to lord the woman. And this man with the woman, they get appointment. This woman carry the boy follow body come. They come meet for bus stop. Surprisingly for the man, can't see this boy. Who be this guy? Why this guy the whole picking? Why this guy the dry picking? That's what Matata says. Inside there, so now, this man can't come out. They can't go enter tram. Last they can't go jump inside tram. This woman boyfriend, that fair boy just now, with this man. The man carry phone. As the man carry phone, making video the guy for inside tram. Now the guy say why the man go video. Now the guy weird the man slap. The boyfriend of that fair boy will be like toothpick. You see, it's this woman baby papa. This guy, so his boyfriend weird baby papa slap. Wait. Baby papa na gallant person. Now the man provoke. Then the man enter. I still wear the boy. And so the boy, that's what they cut the boy. Now I'll see the video. I'll show you now the picture. Where the man in hand cut. They have to stitch the man hand. Now the matana. Now they go court put. The woman now want to go judge against the man for court saying that the man now slap the boyfriend. Now slap the boyfriend. What prick cannot do does not exist. What a landlord cannot do does not exist. All these single mother will be on the show for Germany. Saloba punish you, I got the drop and they come out one after the other. This matter where I did so, I get two matter like this for grant. Two very, very interesting matter like this for grant. When I go down that woman where crack on mass, where 3 children, where man abandoned with 3 children, can go to marry that one. That one matter you see the grant, they pending. I don't get that woman contact. I don't investigate that woman. I don't record that woman clip. After I don't hear with this serious thing, I go enter that one home. That man will be say, he go marry woman. You said the woman will born to the children for you not good. You leave her. Now that one they pay the bed one on the sleep. Many things where some of our useless men they do, and our useless women they do, we will clear them for this platform. You understand? We will clear them one after the other. You feel me so? The way it did for man, so it did for woman. We know they support evil. Yeah. If not the man they get that wrong, we'll tell and say they get that wrong. You understand? Some men they like they oppress their women because their women don't go to school. They are more smarter than the women. They do one for this abroad. Now let's go there. You know, say for Germany, now woman I get that country. Now woman I get that country. Okay, I want to play the man video, the man voice record. When I hear the listen. I'm not going to distract the voice record. For those of you who want blogger or who want record, I'm going to hear the listen. I want to play the man voice record. Yeah, let's go there.
You feel construct and watch some kind of package. Now one will physically come up for the issue to just help me block the issue out for this girl. Not by everything still to see here from her. And whether she will come out to know the truth. She not will come out. They will call and say if he block. If you call and say not come out today, now the issue we will block everything. We will see how they go to hear from you. We will come. If you don't come out, we'll call out for blocking. If she not will come out, for me now I just cause of kind. I just need better blogging to make sure say I feel dragging and the family the way they take just frustrate my children. Use this girl to spoil my documents. You know. So we know each other when she was 19 years old from Morocco. You know, so he know me very well. So he just didn't know me. Say, I say, I be very nice person. I saw this girl today follow up to make sure he deal with me. So me now, you hear me? I hear you clear. And so me now, I did get business when I did home through Libya. Because I know the too much is safe. I come Morocco, I just come months. So as I say this girl day here, I call the house to make sure say I help her life. She just betrayed me for that side. Now I tell leave her before they come carry and give her. Patron when they carry and they go. Also around now give person where they carry and where she go pay 25,000 euro for Spain. She spent 2 years there, me already come on. So you recently be at that time go do my show. I say everywhere you get the way me. Nothing follow there. You move, I come Italy. I made this Italy now. I don't they do my things. They call my family, they say she they look for me. Now they can't give her my contacts. Because they worry, say I beg you to come. Say the person when they run show. They already they give her almost about 20 something. Send the paper for me, I calculate and not be small thing. I say if I wait till this up. What you go play with help this one say man. Make it just make it pause. So wait till me I very with my family first. See the come, she won't come with me. So I can't call my family, everybody come talk to her. Because okay, no problem, they come give me go ahead. I come go carry her from Spain. Carry her go Italy. My document never come on. I defy document. So my lawyer say, since now Spain, now she follow enter as from Morocco. So you don't get fingerprint for fingerprint for Italy. And they don't still do fingerprint for Italy. So Spain, they get fingerprint. And Red Cross now they get. I was there 2008. They now they get asilo. And through Red Cross now they get. Okay. So now so I come to tell my lawyer, say, okay, no problem. The only thing my lawyer advised me, say if you get me here, I feel use a fight paper. Since me they fight my own, I say since 2 years and 7 months, I've been in those scatter everywhere, no corruption. Although the whole junction now, I just roll my they carry everything. Carry everything. For me, one promote, for me to just go on here, so we not go for here. I don't really target myself at the growth of some okay, don't call. I called you. So now so I come to tell my lawyer, say, we move the con the Germany. We'll come on. I hear a few and do fingerprints. Come arrange everything. My most talk to her. I talk to my most talk to my people. Say, Germany, where would they come? Yeah, that was 2018. Say, Germany, where would they come? I know the history. Before me come Italy, I know say Germany and they come. Now I told they take process for Italy. More see how they go. So my seat no fair day. I don't already get fingerprints for Italy. Yeah, I can't make me even spend that 2 years plus there. People say they follow up, we could get documents. That's where they move, they call this side. So here in a very hard place. Now woman country. Italy, they know they support person like that. Then you can't get children, now they call they see all those characters and records, we say they still they help person. They can't give you a house, all those now you go to work to survive. That's why you see as a woman, if you still stay long with men for Italy. Say, yeah, where would they go? So once they don't they enter outside, the people that side not good though. They get the way that side they be because they sit all those things when they play. So I don't want to make all the play for this side. Make the answer a question, call the family then. Yes, I make sure not call the two all those things what she they do today. So they call it talk to her, do everything. Family call answer a question. So how far? The whole family they call her so because she was saying just the 7 years where she lost her father. Her mother just get some little problem, like just a brain problem, onto depression, where they just take some money. Mama not to see the children for her. They just go drop her for few days where they lost their father. So I mean they would do therapy for her mom that time to make her recover, make she know so she still get children, go not children, they don't grow. So the call that assistant that come ask her. Now only that one just know as present as assistant. They are the same father, but they are not the same mother. So that one come ask her and say, you trust me? For spring, we just come now, come meet me for this side now. How they go? He say, trust me. Now me with him know me from Morocco. So I wish he not trust me. How do you everything? He doesn't see many men. Nothing, no, now me. Now he go feel Epa for life. He want come on for there. The place where he did for his bar for Sasito, for there's Africa bar. All those small penny they use got to the car there. And that's if for work how much when she pay for madam. She want that. I say no help, nothing. You know, she the plan she want to come on from there because she find another person, I want to find person when she want to go meet, whether in Italy or anywhere. Before she come see me on Facebook, go find my people on Facebook before she come get my contacts. Okay, they can't answer that question now. My mom she call her. He said she not go betray me. She can never do that. For them to believe, say make we step blood. Now my mother can't ask her. Say you know what it be the meaning of blood? Yes, sir. So not be waiting person. I say you never know what you in the top. So if I make keep in mind, me no come between everything. So you don't really lock up. Come do it. I come make arrangement. We just come. After 3 months pregnancy, we just come meet her. Come journey. That 2000. We just enter journey now. It never even reached 2 weeks. This girl just betrayed me for first time. But when we carry come here, go see help us. You know, I want to use and take declare, do everything. Take get fingerprint here. Take change everything. Don't destroy our future for Spain. Use and declare South Sudan. Now I want use and take declare Nigeria here. Yes, because you don't already do on the Nigerian passport who they put for your hand for Spain, that side. And in a South Sudan. If they can't see the passport for your hand, because you are Nigerian, you declare South Sudan when you get system, when you do it in this thing. Because all those madam, which they use for all those guys, just confuse them. Yeah. If you call the fuck up saying that you fuck power, saying you want to check the matter, you can never get documented. That's why they allow them declare which is the FTC document for Spain. You know? Yeah. So, as we just take on dinner, I don't know, say she go meet one girl. That girl, I go girl. That one, she gets a baby girl. Just gonna give her medicine. And she tell her, but now she go meet that one, me don't know. Now that belly be one killer first. We lead to 4 times operation what we don't do for this country. And only 2 baby we don't get here. So to catch everything short, I believe say maybe inside everything we visit the blogger, and the way we visit do some small live video, then to ask me question or to seriously make you understand how you fit in and analyze any video where you carry commerce. Yeah. Is anyone who you see we say you want to analyze, you just send the video for me, I will explain the particular what you play. Okay, now what's what I want to ask you? Okay, I don't watch many of your videos. You made a video, I don't download many of your videos of my laptop. You understand what you do for all the videos we just sent since 10 to this morning. You don't do my system. Yeah. I don't set them up. I don't with your picture and you get one boy with the star boy harmony. Who that boy be because I blocked the picture. So we're going to call this morning. Yeah, that boy the most place when I go vlog everything, very stubborn. The mother of my children now they carry on the waka to go use and declare me, say, make it tough, and make you slap her. The mother of my children call me, he say the single mother there, they say make you follow another man, who family everything with children. Say whether you be seeing with children, with another man, we go for it. I say, this one, you want to show this to the future, now your life, I want to your family again. Okay, now I want to ask you that boy too. He dey friend your woman. Whether they don't friend each other, I never know. The time when he just take on, you come down for the city, immediately come down for his what I said. When she take call me, let me know. See, they introduce boy. I can't see I see they talk to the boy for Facebook. As we just take call down for his what I said, whether they call us, when she come sign with me for the card, which she come play as a family swag I said. See, they come with the boy. Manager, they call you, say you know they come. Say anytime when you take come. Manager, they call you for back. I give them your number. Me, you come. We have to sign. 16 months, and they block my account. Because you can't say me, you call the family account. Now, I say with the boy, they enjoy my daughter, and he sit down for career. I saw this boy. The boy say, no, he get your family. He just want to hold and make, enter tram. I say, person, when he sit down for his Carol. As my daughter said that for Carol, Mama Hona, with one single mother, where they call Mama Hona. I be the lady the way we say, the mother of my children give contract, make it they propose me anytime we say I want to see my children. You understand? So, the boy now, I say, what did they saw? I say, if you sit down for Mama Carello, you enjoy him, maybe the pikin not recognize you, don't know you. Maybe they introduce you to them. They introduce you to my children to come represent them as a father. He say you get a family, but they just introduce her. Even with your woman, they just know that they can see the control her. Make she come this side. As I talk, I say, hey, with the woman, they just move. And they move. Now I call they tell the mother of my children, so follow me, go back, move, go sign this. If you get the same, let me come out, me they go tomorrow. Me you come sign. Tomorrow, me you come sign. I just look, I just shake my head. Now I give her the doctor. I say, tomorrow, call me, bring the paper, come back, go sign off. As me they go, I see Chan when he pass me, when me dey inside Chan, The boy and the woman they inside, they return back, they don't come out. The mother machine they call them back when they come. See, I don't come out. Yes, so in with the boy and the single mother, they call her mama when they want the big boy. That one come, they come meet her. After I don't come out, what did they happen? Say, not be the bank paper, when they come, when they stand, when they disturb. Okay, no matter, you just throw away the paper, you just throw away for carry. When they look at Satan, for Satan, I come down. As I come down, as I come, the woman just move, enter Satan. That one don't move. Yes, and the boy they run enter Satan. The mother machine on the follow on the enter Satan, and follow the enter Satan. What do you throw away just now? And the child already locked up the move. See now the paper. My paper, what do you want to sign? This money where I want use, where I want pay, so 1,700. Now the money where they give you as charge benefit. Say now me supposed to they pay you when you work, and they pay you, they give you the money. The charge benefit where they pay, where they say me return. I go say okay, so well they pay instrumentally as I they work. So the money now I want to pay her. Now the paper will be say I want to pay this money 1,700. Now you just throw away. So for me to get problem, police don't declare me this for court for this country. You understand me? So now as I say me I sit down, just sit down for inside time for see the boy, just sit down. As I brief for come out from my pocket, he will fall for hand. He said maybe not snap on. He don't really sound like this small boy like that. Once in 2 years, but listen everywhere. The smell, the neck, the smell. He said they use scream. So you don't really sound like whack me. I said, who's what you get? I want to bring my phone come out from pocket. You say, me, I don't bring my phone, me, I don't snap you for snap your picture. Never better was like, was I? I see they told the corner in this blue. You say, I remove 2 teeth, come on for say mark first. You understand? Tell my people, they say they do me. What did they happen? His voice, where they say since, when they tell they come, they don't come, she come back. You see, they follow this woman, go where you see father, they say, hey, with the mother of the ship, they get one or two issues where they want to go settle for back. This boy, she started, because it come back, they follow. When I don't want to follow, they go, they go give up something. I don't know. You get what you tell us now, say the woman throw away your people even want to sign for 1,700 euros. Because I get one of your video, where you video the people for grand for bus stop. That be the translation when you throw away the paper. Okay. The whole special document where I want to go sign. Very special document. No. So that you get one of your video where I see where they stab you for hand, where they stitch the hand for hospital. Wait till lead to that. That be the thing. So when I talk, so the boy just slap me. So say me I not before come on. Me I not snapper. For inside try where we did. Just slap her, give her a blow. So say me I begin just enter out there. Then my friends, the people did they just pull me. So inside that track where they use that phone, they just whack me when me take just block her. She shocked. The boy is shocked, sir. Because the thing confused. If you not carry phone, your listen you want to whack me. Based on me staying not before come out from my house, I take the phone come out for pocket. Because I said that phone when I take meet my phone when I take block her. Now you just break this my finger hand, so me no even feel and say something like that happen to my hand. You understand? When me tell the rocks, give her a slap, even give her a blow. You understand? So I said the matter I come for the feed the hand. So when I saw the matter called, we come that for a second. Where the paper? He said, who sent me you throw away? And the boy said me you throw away. He said no. He just begin to shake the hair. So now say me go bring me go find the paper, complete me go bring the come. He begin to call police. So you dey call police because of another man be waiting for me for documents. We say me go find which throw away. Yes, sir. And so that one take play for there. I can't come much. For the police can come collect it back. Once more bag phone then say I say go find those paper. If you find and bring for me tomorrow, you can collect I'll give you your phone. Go find this document. They shall not see them. I can't collect your phone, come move. I will find the paper for that time, and that will see there. Where I put for that time. I can't bring their constitution inside. Okay, the question is this. First of all, I want to ask you, see, you and this woman, does they live together as husband and wife? That's not the one question. Since 2 years plus, going to 2 years plus now. Where this girl they say me cannot enter my house again, my registration house. We get one or two issue. Now I said, we dare ourselves. A year and 6 months, we know they sleep together. They sleep in my kitchen. She they sleep inside room. Because of the family problem, when they say they worry, I say make we separate. Go they worry me. They carry me go office for separation. When you tell us not separate, now sign papers in family.
Wait, one of them is in house. You they sleep kitchen. In they sleep inside bed.
They sleep inside bed with the children. We know they sleep together as a man and woman. And you know they fuck because he said we not separate. No, he said we not separate. So the one of the cousin brother, woman when they come for that one. As you take on the country, now that guy take him out number. Say see girl when they come for me, he don't go back to Italy. Because of say the mother of the children carry belly you can't declare say the pikin not get father. So government call that pikin. Right name for the pikin then there's the father. I want to ask that question. Inside of this glass book, you want this woman get something. What's in your family they talk about? You want to try? Once you just call the family, you'll be family. So the way they just take company, they never get family as nothing. Until your family, you say that your uncle. The uncle and I be Mr. Friday. So I can't collect that one number. You see, they create that one, they call her, they plan everything with her. Friday or Basso. Friday or Basso. Friday or Basso. That be the uncle so. What if Friday or Basso? You know that my sister now. They're not the talk. If you come back, they say, see what they happen. First, when they arrange, they follow and arrange. Say, me, I never consider the family. Me, I never allow put money for yeah. Me, first make money first. As well as say for them, the way they explain, say that the woman, that they pay woman, and woman they will get as once the woman say that you want to collect the children money. He got that to say me man come off and make it stay alone. See that they try that one to separate, make it stay alone, make it bring money come. Because I know the phone waiting concern me concern money. I say the family don't talk anything about it, Abby. The uncle not be settled now. If you cut that one, they know they talk put. What if you talk to them too much, you go block your phone. What is your family talk? Your family. My family don't talk to them then. The thing whether they bring that come out for months, say they say now make it come find money, not be to come down. Now the information with our sister then they bring that's why they know the answer person. Alright. So I can't say my family, maybe now the question here now. Maybe they will say there's a family house. Then we will bring the matter come out. So the reason why my family never know they not show their family house. Okay, the baby boy now one couple, that one the post is here. He get 3 years. Wouldn't believe without him now, their family house, nobody know where about. If you ask this one, he go say no be senior. They get that one. Say he rent us. Ask when he rent. And so those people don't ask their house, hide everything. For more than 8 years. Hold on. More than 8 years. Hold on. I want to ask you the last question. What do you want? What do you want from that woman now? Bro, if I tell you, boy, this girl, she don't declare me tired. If not be caught for this country, therefore don't carry my enemy go out. She declared me, so they just send, say you say me cannot enter my house again. Then I can't do my own. I did my own. Any letter with the what you want from that woman now, I want to know. The thing now, let she stop declaring me. They don't collect my 30%. Now she they carry the boy, they go, the you get I. Say me they carry me go court, go judge against me, say I follow the boy fight, and maybe if I follow the boy fight, then me they collect the right. So school now when I decide put for children, I not decide for school for children, because she put the matter for you get time. So they usually get time, they declare me. So we don't go court almost 2 times, you get time, and wait there for court, say me they stay. And it is sister, he can say, me they help and the follow and the 3 children, me the children they with time. You get time, me they see the house of the children. They make it, they bring the children, come, they see me. Every week, then they call them for video call, they buy everything, how they go their school. The paper just come for school, and I go sign for the Ahmed. What did she do? She don't want, she don't block my document. My daughter, when they want to bring the documents with the home, when she go declare me for court, the day when they say me I can't sign for my daughter document. They hold the document now. She they try and name Miss Baham to make sure say I don't think get that good document to the baby. They declare me every time, you know.
Okay.
So one thing I just need now this girl now to drag her comments. Let the whole world just know say how people take wicked like this.
No problem, no worry. No worry, relax. You feel me? When you do the get chance in the evening, Abi?
Yeah, at the get chance evening, anytime we be say just take call. I just invest my time we be say we take photo. But most of the evening, like the time we have to send you this picture, say that they work. Where they work for this traffic, which you want to collect a father charge for me. They carry you get and go so me they carry me go continue one collect the rights. And those one they fight us right from the pregnancy for the firstborn. Say me the sign contract for
how many children you get for you?
2.
Well, okay.
Out of 4 times operation for baby now 2 we can't get. Yes, 1 boy and 1 girl.
Okay.
The baby boy now. Talk.
How many years the girl did?
3 years now just complete. Now you have the picture. You see some picture where this.
How many years?
Now last
your baby mama did?
She did for 27 years.
How many years you did?
Going to 28 years. Going to 28 years now.
How many years?
Me did 42 years.
Okay, no problem.
I did 42 years.
What am I doing? Just calm down, okay? Yeah, I'll put a month after.
So I'm a beg. Because this is you see the declare me the goal. And that document now you'll be my public so.
All right. That's the end of the record from the man. You understand? That is the end of the record from the man, the baby papa. As for those of you now who just they come, we don't know what's in they happen. Now we'll see this particular picture we have a break up just now. This one will fair. We have bicycle wheel for a year. Now it be Starboy Harmony for Facebook and for TikTok. Why the one way they sent us when I be Dokas or Baswan will be the baby mama of Kevin, which is this man where we are Jack. So now they talk. Now you the place just now. Now the baby mama now drag the comments. You understand? This boy will be Harmony, so they law this woman. You understand? It is law. No, you understand? So why this matter go really sweet to talk about because this thing they happen for Germany where for some single mothers for Germany. Once they don't born 1 or 2 for one man, that bola don't tire them. They go to find another bola, another fresh bola where they want to freshen up. Mind you, as this woman stupid ratio, this same boy where this Harmony so this star boy so when the lalona now still get 2 picking for another woman for that same Germany there. This sad boy so still get another single mother where born 2 picking for him for that same Germany there, and he still on the landlord that single mother will get picking with your husband. You understand? Now as this was Zuo, this Dokas called Zuorish now, he now can they support him boyfriend against him baby papa. Now the CEO against him baby papa will carry a con Germany. You understand me? So now let's play some of the due to some of the talk when this man talk, many videos they for this talk when they talk. Most of all those things when they talk, videos they this one will do the screen, so we'll play this one. But we hear waiting play for this one.
It's close to the police station. I will send you the name of the stop in SMS. My problem is my baby father is following me to my apartment. Did you get and told me not for you not to follow me? I video me because he called it.
Yeah, I wrote the paper here. Omaya say you were married you Latin on Masanepe. When I no dokuya okwa no we fi omo na no we. O when ya no die wu.
I will send you the SMS.
The cash.
The place where
okwa no so awu we la la we o tu gole ni kia ba wi we o la lo we. O igbo e se ni a.
I will
igbo e se.
Ogboge eh. See go mother. Ete yin na ga ta pa ko. Ogboge say
I will give someone to tell you I'm coming.
Why
Can
don't
you hold
you
on?
go?
There's someone to tell you where I am now.
Why don't you go? Jimmy, you dead. You my dead man, right? Guy, everybody, you egg dollar. You want to be away while Jimmy. You want to get in log with Jimmy. You go with me. If you go prison for Germany, you go see boys for prison. You go see men for prison. Ask me what you put them for the women. See, for abroad here, for Italy here, you go see people for prison here. You go to see na drugs. Now so they go do drugs. So they go sell this one. So they go sell Morocco. So they go. Then they put men for Italy for prison. But if you go Germany, men where they prison, 95% of the men where they prison for Germany, na single mother put them for death. After your prison, that deportation straight down to Bogo. If many men for prison, which they will feel come out, come talk, come hear story, because I was once there. What you put there for there? Equal single mother. Here the work bucky. Once don't chop your bola. It can't be one. Oh, I want to kill it. Is that over no more cup? Is that a way they can fuck your woman? The woman go pursue you now. When they go throw away your things pass. And not see that now tramadol they use trams. No go let it that handle your woman. If you that drink trams, still handle your woman. You go drink 250 kg, 250 gram, 250 gram. Take drink your woman. My brother, you not go sleep that house that night. If that way they come, or are you trans yak bow how you got bogo how? Oh, how much feel away equa. Oh, how feel away equa. It's time to marry who either will give your wife.
But wage been I asani. You gonna run or what begay. In the Korea begging, I may buy me na muja in your way. A station of Philipina Quai, and Nudokia. Nano Kuamu Yumoto, Yamorina, you wa. A deception, Marina de Kuba. Nano Kuanawaru, and we dephone, or we are good dephone, timid for snapping here. Or phone. I ask one little man, Econ. Because a bebo, Nufiori, and Nana, who are not with my gissa. Ah, Baba, oh, big woman. Oh, Hannah, Baba. My dad no sinu.
Now they see what the woman they do. The woman, this Dorcas, when I say that devil, that pure devil, I will play her audio. After this man talk to me, I have to call her. You understand? Because I don't want to work about bone here. I don't want to hear for 1 month. Let me hear for our own month. You understand? I tell the man, say, give me her number. She said the woman don't block now, so can you give me her number? I said, he get 2 WhatsApp number. The man really give me a number. I get the 2 WhatsApp numbers, me and I talk. So this same video, I forward that for your WhatsApp number. Make you know, say, I'm serious. That donation, when you say you go donation, anybody will carry your picture come out. No, say I tell you, say, I say you go donation, you go tire. And I mean, you go report to social, you go tire. If your social don't take time, I go still carry your social picture come out. Your social picture, here more like don't body social and also one, no mind why I see I. Now, because that one are the work of social for Germany to support useless mothers. Because once woman reach Germany, the first school where they will carry me go, and to teach you your right as a mother for Deutschland, and to encourage you on how to leave your husband if you come there with a man, so that you will be single. They can have full right over your children, which many women don't know for Deutschland. You understand? Many of them don't know. Now that right, they always teach women first, so that they will teach you how to call police phone number, how to call ambulance. You understand? Because many of them will come Germany, now will carry Papa come, now go to social say, "Una not get husband, una not get husband, una go born one, una not get husband, una go born 2, una not get husband, una go born 3, husband una go born 4 because of child benefits. Make people they rise. They're going to use the money they build house for Nigeria. They're going to use money they build what do they call an invest center for Nigeria, shopping mall for Nigeria, filling station for Nigeria, hotel for Nigeria, child benefits money. When they do all show, none of them build hotel. Ask me, how many hotels are they see for Benin today? How many shopping malls are they see for Benin today? Who build them? Now who they abroad? Did they build that hotel when they were doing the show? No. Because they were deaf and dumb that time. They were lunatic. They were only after madam, and their father. Now, when they don't open their eye, social media don't open their eye. All of them now, they don't fail. They don't come for immunokbo. They come enter immune social. And then, when you charge benefit, you have a hotel. A hotel go buy but when you get single. A hotel no matter but when you get single, you hear that we go. When they use your because they also money for abroad, you don't use on build hotel, you don't use on build shopping mall. Now, when you don't have born to stand the life of your children, the future of your children, the money when they give you, when they maintain your children, you're gonna use that they sell and they go to Nigeria, you're gonna use that they build hotel, use that they build shopping mall, use that they build 4 flats for Nigeria. And now you want to showcase to people who are gonna come abroad early age, say that now you don't build hotel. I was one of when I see now. At the end of the day, see this man now. If you see what happened to this man, then they live together, the girl husband. She claims single mother. The money was so short, they pay her. Now the man, now they work, they pay back now. Now the money when the man they work, they pay back. You feel me so? And as we speak now this same woman now the man they pay money they give now, the child benefit they give. When I listen to this audio, this video game, many people are going to play a small.
But wage bena ya sani igona romo ruwa bege ime koria bege yen o ma epa me na ya muja yin obi ese station of le bena kwa ina nu doku ya neno ku ya mu yi moto iya mo ri na ri owa e dise tan ma me na dekun egbeban neno ku ya na wa ro yen mi de phone yin ogwe bia go de phone yin ti me yi phone snap yin ya o phone oya sun alele me ikon do ka se bebo nu viori nana wa ku e una wi ma jise baba o gbe wo me ohana baba ma den no sunu.
This star boy harmony of Germany, they fight baby papa because of his wife. He dey fight baby papa because of his young woman. Binaye uhere osi hore in Germany. A star boy harmony osi hore obi aba live ikpekusi o obi aba gbina you hobe obi aba live ikpekusi for house with 2 pikin. Brother, when about 2 pikin for house, so they fight other people not get 2 pikin. Yo, you not fit do or God follow your own pikin for house. You want to do good something and they follow that person pikin for total matter. Eh, baba, some women are mugu. Oh, the star boy there. Oh, you have been now. You were another person ha. Maybe the woman I will go find in wife bring command, baby mama. No bien. A star boy has been now you heard of me. God. See, I use God beg una. Mona sit down there. Mona share this video. I don't make this video long. I go leave her now because I'll get more video. Yeah, play this one now.
O ma we ni sani ibe dewo. O wo so kun Mrs. Fin no. O wo so kun Mrs. Fin no. Hello. O wo so kun yan no ja ku me kan yan wuto mo. O wo so kun ni do any matter ne e make sign. So e ma be je na ne o we e ma be je na ne. So I say yani e be ya ka me yan with video. Because we make an evidence. A party can one of them. Hey, video, why you no go? Believe. All can damn you. No.
This one nothing will happen now. More videos they when the man do. You understand? We will play more video. I said a serious film. My baby look back. Why do I get kidney? Oh, the way no, you not do now. You understand? I quick one, massive who in your way was said Germany. All this Chihuahua women, Chihuahua. I mean, 20 all these 20 women. Can I get 2 all these 2 women never saka women. In your Germany. In your Germany. In your deportation camp with Germany. These small women who are going to know what they're going to know when you assess it, or you know, she was like 2020 garden. Or you know, we keep 2020. That's she was women. It never she was one year. The character is some unbearable. All this she was. When exercising ye. When exercising ye. They are very useless. If you say this woman, you know, I'm a very bad woman. That woman will get bad hearts. I call her. Part 2, I go play our audio. Now don't hear the audio of the man now. I will respond when I call her. Now go hear what this woman tell me. This equate 2020 now. Wow, damn it. Say you say the saga don't do you anything. We never start the saga you. We'll first play your audio first. I want you any. I play video here talking about the phone. Every this now of like better. Who do baby? When you have boy, you didn't drag the family when you're passing. That's why I go drag the like I better pass the book on social media because that's egg down carry. Egg don't give a shower to the web. Near woman, you hear a shower, no woman, a bow up on the room, ya dog, I will teach the lesson for this social media. Mota. Because enough of all this nonsense. At this kind of time, why want to have a shower? A by family where I have hair, you go Guiana. No, you go more Guiana. You go not know ya bow or more. You got to give family what? Yeah, right. Without you, your family will live. With you, your family will live. We are barely there, Boroko. They go still live, they go still eat well. They go still eat well, even better than ourselves. When we give you a plan B to the family. That's family for you, especially for Bongo. So you have to live your own life to the fullest because of when a covenant or I go on a bomber. Now shop the food, then you see person hungry. A mon of your hair is you're married by Veco. We are polygon movement, what's the yoga? A clear problem with that. You want to know, and you want to come, and you must come. Who here must to read, or I will not papa, I'm not practical. You could reach you a problem, you know. You must wash underground plate. That plate need to be clean. Who must to click the map? If you don't wash the plate in Germany, you are a problem. Okpianela lo ebe Germany, a train station my mio. Okpianela lo ebe Germany, a prison away for a year, a map of there we do. Una manala lo you are a problem. Who must Okman is very important. You need to wash the plates. C'est comme ça. Umana lo he. Emudo la file yekwa. Don't joke with it for Germany. All those ones where they come sick salon, where they find women, where get document, where go fit give the child benefits, and go fit give the child what's the plan, and where go fit sign for father charge for them. Oh, they will do anything possible to lalloy on your lalloyable. Yeah, lalloy on this fool. Yeah, lalloy or hateful. Oh, I guess time you are. Oh, Joe, oh, that was it. It's a mia, it's a was, oh, that shaking, oh, that vibrating, when I vibrator, oh, that vibrating, when I vibrator. It doesn't back on your pickle, sister, you wire. But I think I can't another point, you have to leave the house. Without no reason, or the fight criminal, or squaw you, or I go a ya more sorry, the man here, you it doesn't bear, China penny. It does. A genuine enemy say, Daddy, or I open. Now, what's that? I use my eyes. See, I'm talking from experience. Oh, I'm with Daddy Lawagba. A mama area, a more gamma kyogo, a more akuyo palo. The next thing that I want to go back at zoom. That is what I will black it bam. Omuwe of your or back is that war. Oh, we are naked on more. Only worry, mommy, chocolato, mommy chocolato, take it there. Mommy, my hand cannot reach it to use the table. It's a start war. That is back quick or Sierra or Seventy or Seventy. It's a start war. Oh, yeah, mommy, give me the chocolato. Okay, use the table, climb the table. Stand up, brackets on all my here and way. Sister Mana here as way. These are the kind of women who would they fight for Germany. Where would they come across for Germany? These are the kind of some stupid set of women where would they come across for Deutschland. Yeah, we bracket ba aba uwa epa uwa be. We are we have to make na uhena. Oye na e ba no sika epa for 3 days. Amana soke ni e ba like epa kunu. We are here. Oye woko oye mi. Why gbako ya piko. Oye no gbako ye enwewe. Emi ki ya ivonu. Wa see to wa sister agbe kwa. Oye na ki ebo oyi. Man take care of face go. Aba Udazi. Bekem no soon. Emu don't la feeling it back with a little luggage in the la feel quoi. And we do la feel quoi. Some women for Germany a documenting all one of the worstest things near Agbasha with Germany. Oh, woman, I baby Germany. How are they loyal? How are they loyal, respectful? A big problem does that. It happens to me. I'm talking from experience. But that's a Geneva. I can put my arrow only. What do you want? Like women, fear woman for Germany. You don't see where you go back, finish your wife, go carry your leg for lap. They use cream, they rub your leg. Ah, you can go away, fine boy. Ah, you can rub away. I got praise you. Ah, I did I was able. Pay document confess. Document you the na agba o katie body ro Germany ogun gbera gbujuwe o katie be Germany o katie be Germany ba no wetin na dey talk. Document man he was so loyal, so respectful. Me now we minister kuze bude ina ati babi ko ni yari ne mi ko ni yari ba o kamene ina ya plan introduction ina our engagement na engagement gbagam ono amu megbe okoyo ori mu me be na ikon za lo gbo na eri we gbo na eri na mi I never see anything very rene document rene wala you fear those women when they do night prayer for Germany. Father Lord, my father, my maker, my maker, my documents will be sure. Let them release my document. Whoever that sit on my document, whoever that stop. I need only vienna social, via you Bible, hallelujah. Fear them, fear those women, all those small women. I need quick, all those gear, Lenia.